Texas flooding disaster, the alarming impact of climate change. The recent catastrophic flooding in Texas has unveiled a stark reality that climate scientists have long feared: the future may hold even more devastating weather events. This disaster, which has left a significant mark on the Texas Hill Country, serves as a grim reminder of the potential consequences of climate change. Lives have been irrevocably altered, and communities are grappling with the aftermath of a single, ferocious storm. In the early hours of July 4th, an astonishing 20 inches of rain fell on central Texas, causing the Guadalupe River to surge by 26 feet in less than an hour. The chaos was palpable, as RV park owner Lorena Gillen recounted. There was so much screaming. There were dozens of vehicles just floating away. This harrowing experience highlights the immediate dangers posed by such extreme weather. Experts in climate science are now sounding the alarm, indicating that the flooding witnessed in the Texas Hill Country is merely a precursor to what may become a regular occurrence as global temperatures continue to rise. Dr. Andrew Dessler, who leads the Texas Center for Extreme Weather at Texas A&M, likened the situation to steroids for the weather. He explained that while climate change does not directly cause rain events, it amplifies them, transforming what might have been a moderate rainfall into a catastrophic storm. Dr. Dessler shared with KHOU 11 News that these so-called monster storms are becoming increasingly frequent. For instance, just last year, Hurricane Helene wreaked havoc in North Carolina, resulting in 107 fatalities and widespread flooding. Similarly, flash floods in Valencia, Spain, claimed 219 lives. As the globe warms, we will continue to see more and more intense rain events like Hurricane Harvey and this July 4th flooding, Dessler warned. These occurrences will not only persist but will intensify over time. Texas's geographical position near the Gulf of Mexico exacerbates its vulnerability to such climate impacts. Dr. Dessler emphasized, Texas is one of the most susceptible states to the effects of climate change. The Gulf waters have warmed nearly 2 degrees since 1970, mirroring the overall increase in global temperatures. When the atmosphere warms, it can hold more water vapor, Dessler elaborated. This excess moisture ultimately leads to torrential downpours that can devastate communities, as seen in the Texas Hill Country. To mitigate the impact of these extreme weather events, Dr. Dessler advocates for improved warning systems and a shift in focus towards adapting to intense rainfall. He stresses the importance of reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, as climate scientists predict that without significant action, the Earth could warm an additional 3 to 4 degrees. If we don't take aggressive action, that's a huge amount of warming, Dessler cautioned. It's going to change the world. Moreover, the financial implications of such extreme weather are staggering. In the previous year alone, damages in the United States exceeded $180 billion, a figure that is 8 times higher than the average annual costs recorded during the 1980s. It's also important to note that due to budget cuts and staffing shortages, NOAA will no longer track future data on these critical climate events. This raises questions about our preparedness for the challenges ahead. But here's where it gets controversial: are we doing enough to combat climate change, or are we merely scratching the surface? What steps should we take to ensure a safer future for our communities? I invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you agree with the experts, or do you have a different perspective on the issue?